Sorry for the disturbance. Saanvika's sister is crying. Now please cut this part out. Hey guys, long time no see. We're back with another video. The Nepali Ketiz are back with a new video. So this video is gonna be virtual because we are having a lockdown in Nepal, so we won't get to see each other. So we're making this box with newspaper. It's basically made out of waste. Not too difficult to make, so come on, let's go make it. Hi Shamu!
Hi Dilasha. We're gonna make a pencil holder. Yeah, it can be like a newspaper box too.
So it's like a very nice box. I've kept my jewelry in it. Yeah, so we can't go out and we can't see each other. So we are doing it virtually.
Because there's a lockdown and a pandemic. Yeah.
यो craft को लागि धेरै सामान चाहिँदैन. Just some newspapers, एउटा कैंची, and अलिकति फेभिकोल. And also, if you like, you can also use hot glue, as I'm using it. अब हामी सुरु गरौँ. शान्भु, तिमीसँग सबै सामान छ?
मसँग. Okay, so
let's start. So first of all, यो बनाउनको लागि हामीलाई rolls बनाउनु पर्छ. As you can see, Shampoo, they're like rolls. Also, you will also be needing to make rolls to make this kind of thing for the base and the top. So, a piece of paper. So just totally half colors. And you will have two pieces like this.
Yes, I do.
So, त्यो दुईटा पिसबाट फेरि एउटा like त्यसको आधी कट गर. Small cut here and then start cutting it with my tear it up because like it's easier. After you're done like this making two pieces, अब rest over few newspaper को फेरि बनाऊ. Shampoo. Let's make the base. We take the paper. यसरी roll गर्दै जाने. बुझ्यो Shampoo? Corner बाट we are supposed to make like a roll. Fevicol. And now just open it. Just put a little bit here so when we like close it, like doesn't open.
यो हुन्छ. अलिकति अझै पातलो गर तर ठीक छ.
Take 55. Action. हामीले यो बनाउनु पर्छ because for the top. ल अब यो म कसरी बनाउँछ म Shampooलाई पनि देखाउँछु अनि तपाईहरुलाई पनि देखाउँछु. पहिला just like take one. Okay, just take one. And after that, you just take the tip हैन अनि यो fold गर्दै जाऊ. Just keep on folding. It's easy so. Fold गर्दै जाने. So I'm done with this much. Wait, यो छ नि हेर. यो छ नि यो part.
Just take some Fevicol.
That much. Take a part of the another newspaper and put it in. Now keep on continuing like that. Keep on putting. And don't like try to make it too tight because we need to like push from the back. Now just continue this process until it's a little big like this much. Saanvika, this is my last one. I'm done with my golu top. sealed and done.
We're done. Now what's the next step?
Now for the lid, we need to like push it because like the lid is supposed to be like a shape of a Kona type. So this is how you do it. You push the center of it a little front, not like non-skinny gari, just a little. So and like
yeah, boy.
Like that. It's like a type of a cone. So we're gonna make this part. Make one of the ends totally equal. I'm just gonna make it till 18. So now we need to make these into half to make the thing. So for making them into half, 18 divided by 2 is 9. So I need to 9 inches now. I need to cut it. So I'm gonna make a mark in 9 inch.
That's why you need to eat sag. Bujhe?
So we've made all of the stuff we need. Now, Shampoo, please tell me what have we made from all of these newspapers rolls.
You सब rolls बनायो अनि cap बनायो.
Just put your rolls and everything for a side right now. So let me teach you what's next now. Take your Fevicol, make like a swirl. You're a swirl banao. So take your rolls and start pasting. So I've covered the whole A4 paper except this part because I need to stick this part and this part to make a cylindrical shape. Extra is mathematical. So now just place this over here like that. And now your huge part is like big part of your artwork or whatever it is called is done. Now the glue gun. Shampoo if base sanga yo glue gun. So the hot glue gun is heating up. This will be the base and this is the thing and this will be on the top. So you can use hot glue or super glue or Fevicol, but I'm using hot glue because I feel it's much more easier. Yeah, so it's heated up and now I'm gonna glue this part. Like that. So now I've glued this part. Chanvu, are you doing?
Yeah.
Push like that, and then it's the cover. I have 2 of these sticks. Now I'm gonna make the top part for this. This is how it goes. So you need to make a gap on this one. So like put like 2 fingers in it and make it like this. Shanvi, you know how to make the mathiko part. So this is the top part. So I'm done with the top part. I'm just going to glue the like itatolo so it doesn't go down. Now we're done. A unique type of box.
Thank you for watching. If you want to try this, you can try this.
Like if we paint this, we're gonna put the clips in this video somewhere, like somewhere. So I hope you enjoyed our video and
Subscribe.
bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.